Team coverage this afternoon. Fox 13's Max Roth looks at new stats on Utah's coronavirus website. But we begin with Ben Winslow on Capitol Hill, where the governor issued an order on rent and evictions today. Ben.
The governor announced an eviction freeze for residential units. Now, he's getting a lot of praise for it by some who say it will help prevent people from becoming homeless in the middle of this global pandemic.
To those who are directly affected by the COVID-19 virus, this pandemic, and have lost your employment, I know that assistance is going to be coming available.
The governor announced a new executive order to allow people to defer their rent for up to 45 days as unemployment grows in the coronavirus pandemic. He also announced an eviction freeze until May 15th.
A 45-day extension. It's on any kind of eviction. The issue is, in fact, mostly, I think the ones that are most in the crosshairs are landlords and tenants and residential properties. We will look to see if there needs to be modifications of that.
I'm glad it's not an April Fool's joke.
Housing advocates are thrilled. They worried about people now out of work because of the pandemic being made homeless.
We don't want people to misunderstand this to mean that they don't have to pay their rent at the end of the day. So they should still go and talk to their landlords and make sure that their landlords understand, what the predicament they're in and how they're working towards making good with their rent.
The governor also announced some relaxing of health orders on restaurants. It's a way to help them stay in business. Dine-in is still prohibited, but there's new rules for takeout.
People can actually go into a restaurant and order from the counter and then pick up the food. If and only if social distancing can be accommodated. That means a minimum of 6 feet between anybody that's in line that comes in there. And again, we would want to emphasize that strict hygiene takes place.
Now, the governor says a special session of the Utah State Legislature is likely in the next few weeks to help the state recover economically and deal with the economic impacts of the COVID-19 pandemic. He says people can help the state recover faster by staying home and practicing social distancing. Live on the Hill, Ben Winslow, Fox 13 News, Utah.